Introduction to System Design.
That system design is the process of defining the architecture and components of a complex software system. Understanding system design is crucial for roles that build scalable, reliable applications. Whether you're preparing for interviews or starting your tech journey, grasping the basics lays a strong foundation for more advanced concepts.
Key components in system design.
A typical system is made up of clients, servers, databases, and APIs. Clients send requests, servers process them, databases store data, and APIs connect the different parts. Designing how these parts interact ensures the system works smoothly and meets user needs.
Scalability and performance.
That scalability means the system can handle growth, more users or more data without problems. Performance refers to the speed and responsiveness of the system. Designers use techniques like load balancing, caching, and horizontal scaling to manage these aspects effectively.
Reliability and availability.
Reliability describes a system's ability to function without failure, while availability is the percentage of time it's accessible to users. High availability is achieved through replication and failover mechanisms, ensuring users experience minimal downtime.
Consistency, partition tolerance, and the CAP theorem.
The CAP theorem states that in a distributed system, you can only fully achieve 2 out of 3. Consistency, all users see the same data. Availability, system is always working. And partition tolerance, system works even if parts are disconnected. Designers must prioritize based on system requirements.
Conclusion and next steps.
Mastering system design starts with understanding these core concepts: components, scalability, reliability, and the CAP theorem. As you learn, practice designing systems and explaining your choices clearly, skills that are key to interview success and real-world development.